Guys, welcome back. So today this is an unboxing video. Not new to me. Well, sorry. Yes, new to me. Wow. This is a new to me DeWALT cordless drill. Just turn this around. This box with the bits, I did not get, but I bought this from a garage sale for $25. Comes with one battery, one charger, and one drill. And it didn't come with any drill bits. Besides, he did give me some Makita, I think it is. I think these are Makitas. There's some, I think they're Makita, I'm not sure though. Oh no, that's Milwaukee, sorry. He gave me some Milwaukee and Makita ones in another drill bit box. Oh, here it is. In this rough looking box. But here's some of the stuff I took from the Ryobi one that I had and put in here. Because the Ryobi one my dad gave me stopped working. So let's take this out. Let's take the drill out. It's a DC 720 half-inch, also 12.7mm cordless drill, type 1, serial number 8, wow, I want to say that says 866810, 18 volt, comes with an 18 volt battery. I'm gonna buy the, which I'll put a link for it, I'm going to buy an adapter, that goes in here, where the battery is, it goes in here, and then I can use a 20 volt DeWALT battery for the new models on this, because that's kind of what I want. Here's the charger, 7.2 to 18 volt, 1 hour charger. This thing, I got it home, I charged it immediately. It only took 15 minutes to charge, so I think this had like a 50% battery on it, because, well, you know, 75, 80%. But I'm going to pack this up, I'm going to head out to the backyard, and we're going to drill a hole into something so you can see this power. See its power. So, I'll be back in a moment. So we're going to drill a hole anywhere in this, just for the fun of it, show you guys the power this thing has, and I'll be back. Okay guys, here's the drill with a 1.5 inch drill bit. Let's drill with this. So and I'll take this out so you can actually see what we're doing here. You still can't see it very well. That's better. This thing has some kick power to it. We're not drilling through it all the way. We're just putting a small hole in there to show you. See, that's what it did. It's one of these drill bits right here. See, I should be able to do this like this. Go back to this hole. See, that's one-handed. That's, yeah. That's one-handed because, well, I don't have a tripod stand yet, so that's the issue. But, hey, it was worth it. And I didn't get hurt, so you don't have to worry about that. No one has to worry about me getting hurt. Because I didn't get hurt. So I put this back, and I'm going to say 73. Upbeat 88, Northwest Oregon. Unboxing video of this DeWALT 18 volt cordless drill. $25 from a yard sale. And it's like $80 on eBay. So I got a deal. Well, see you guys later.